Hi everyone, welcome back to TerraTern. Today I want to talk about an essential skill that plays a significant role in achieving success in the IELTS reading test. That is paraphrasing. Whether you are working on a matching information, completing summaries, or identifying true-false not given statements, mastering paraphrasing can make a big difference in your overall performance. First and foremost, to paraphrase effectively, it is crucial to understand the main idea of the sentence or passage you are working with. Paraphrasing is not just about replacing a word, it's about conveying the same meaning in a different way. Without a clear understanding of a content, your paraphrase might lose accuracy or alter the original meaning. Secondly, using synonyms is one of the most straightforward method of paraphrasing. For instance, if you encounter the word benefit, you might replace it with the advantages or gains. However, while synonym can be useful, it is important to remember that not all words have a perfect synonyms. The context matters, so choose your word carefully. Another effective technique is changing the sentence structure. For example, if you have an active sentence like the company built the bridge, you can transform it into a passive voice. The bridge was built by the company. This change in a structures help to create a paraphrase while keeping the original meaning intact. In addition, changing the form of the word can help your paraphrase effectively. Take the phrase the success of the project. For instance, you could rephrase this as the project success. It is a subtle change, but it can be effective in maintaining the original meaning while using a different words. Moreover, consider changing the order of information in a sentence. For example, instead of saying the report was released after the meeting, you could rephrase it as after the meeting the report was released. The meaning remains the same, but the information is presented in a different order. Combining or splitting sentence is another useful strategy. You might combine two simple sentences or compound or complex sentence, or alternatively you could split a long sentence into a shorter one. This flexibility can be particularly helpful when trying to rephrase the complex idea. Furthermore, using definitions can be an effective way to paraphrase. Instead of using a single word like inflation, you might say the general increase in prices. This technique is especially useful when dealing with a specific term that might not have direct synonyms. Regular practice with the IELTS reading material is key to becoming a proficient in paraphrasing. The more you practice, the more familiar you will become with the type of paraphrasing techniques that are commonly used in the test. However, be mindful of a collocation, that is words that naturally go together. For instance, strong wind is more appropriate collocation than a heavy wind. Using a correct collocation will make your paraphrasing sound more natural and accurate. Finally, always check for accuracy after you have paraphrased a sentence. Take a moment to review it. Make sure that your paraphrase retains the original meaning and does not omit any essential information. Accuracy is a key, as even a slight change in a meaning could lead to incorrect answer. In the end, paraphrasing is a powerful tool in the IELTS reading test, and mastering it will greatly enhance your chance of success. By understanding the main idea, using synonyms, altering sentence structures, and practicing regularly, you will be able on the way you're paraphrasing effectively. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to TerraTern for more tips. See you in the next video.